What's going on? I've got a little bit of a video today. I did this quite a while ago, but I constantly get asked questions about it, so I thought I'd make a little video about it, show you how I've done it, and basically how you can do it yourself. What I've done is I've made a little secret hidey hole that you can put your electric or water point hook up in, so it doesn't like tarnish the side of the van. I hate the ones that are just stuck onto the side of the van. I mean, it ruins the lines of the van. It's a plasticky look. So on the tailgate model in particular, you can hide it away in a little cubby hole. I'm going to show you how to do that, and I'm going to show you how I did it without having some extra hardware on shore. And what I'm going to be doing as well is, once this video reaches 100 likes, I'm going to be giving away one of these. I were going to sell these, but as I've moved away from the selling side of things, I'm focusing purely on growing the YouTube channel. I'm not going to be selling these anymore, but I am going to be. I've got one spare because I bought the hinges in a pack of 2, and I'll just 3D print another one. And I'm just going to give away a set to someone that wants to do this. All you'll have to do is fix the 4 holes, and you'll have to get some adhesive to the inside of your door. But I'll show you what I mean now. Let's go outside and have a look at the vehicle. So as you can tell, on approach to the vehicle, there's no obvious sign that I've got anything hidden in these pieces here. You'll see people that have done similar to me, but they've used like rivets to hold it, which I kind of think defeats the purpose of doing it. You're doing it to make it look factory and sleek, and so you can't see anything. So you can see both sides are identical. I've only done one side, and the way I access mine is I have to open my tailgate. And once my tailgate's open, excuse the mess, I've 3D printed a little bracket just down here. And what this does is it uses the existing tailgate hook. I push that in, slide it down, and then that releases the door. And inside here I've got my water hookup point. Some people fit electric points here as well, but I just wanted to keep the water and electric separate. I mean, there's no real issue with doing it as long as you've got an IP rated electric point, but I personally put my electric point underneath the bonnet so I could easily access it from the front, park it into bays, and then, you know, I don't have to worry about reversing into electric hookup points and stuff like that. The hinge what I've got is just a typical flush mount kitchen hinge. I painted mine black with hammerite, and you see this yellowing that's around it. All this yellowing that I've got around here, this is wax spray. The way that you get your water point going through the vehicle is you need a bulkhead fitting. I'm going to link the bulkhead fitting down below as well. But the main things what I've designed is this locking mechanism just here, which you can see how it operates a little bit better there. And I've designed this piece of plastic here. So I 3D designed this on Fusion just to fit flush with this door. So you just have to trim this top piece off, and then you glue this in using Tiger Seal or whatever adhesive you've got. I mean, realistically you could use many types of adhesive. I sealed it round. I painted this hinge, pushed it in, sealed the hinge in as well. I put some self-tap, some riv nuts inside there, so they can come in and out as much as I please. And yeah, it's a pretty nice finish. And once it's all shut up, it's sometimes a little bit tricky to get this hinge to clip in, but it needs to go behind and then above. That's it clipped in. And yeah, you've got that factory finish. You would never know it's there otherwise. And for something what you access so little, it's nice just to have it hidden away a little bit. And I mean, if I really wanted to, I could have put the electric hookup just inside that one there if I wanted to keep them separate. Some people have managed to squeeze them into the same one, but yeah, just the way they put rather than glue it in with the piece what I've printed, they'll put they'll rivet it in here, so you'll have like 4 rivets here, or maybe 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom, and it's just a messy finish in my opinion. Obviously that's totally subjective, you might not mind it, but if you don't like the points that just sit on the side here and you want it a little bit more subtle, then yeah, this is probably the mod for you. And if you do want it for free, of course you can design your own, but I'm going to be giving away a free one. So once this video reaches 100 likes, I'm going to be giving away a complete free set. I've got a hinge, because these hinges come in packs of 2. I've got a hinge, I'll 3D print the rest of it, send it out to whoever wants it. All you got to do is like the video and put a comment on the video saying that you want it, because I don't want to send it to someone that hasn't actually got a van that they want to modify. So make sure you comment saying that you want the free one. And yeah, hopefully you get it and you can get it installed on your van. I know that's a very quick video, but that's one of the things that gets asked the most when I upload like pictures of my van or stuff what I've done. That is the most commonly asked question what I get. So hopefully you like the video, and if needs be I can do a fitting guide. So if I wasn't quite clear in explaining it there, I can set up a fitting guide for you so you know exactly how to do it. But it's relatively simple, you can't really get it wrong, especially using the adhesive. Once you set it, you can adjust it into place before it finally sets, and then yeah, remove your tape, you're good to go.